What's going on, everyone? Welcome to GZT Tech, where we talk about tech that either I'm interested in or tech that we think that you should check out. And today, we have just that. Today we're taking a look at the brand new DJI Mavic Air 2, the Fly More combo. We're going to go in depth unboxing every single thing and seeing exactly what we get. Taking a look around, we see behind here, everything is already labeled as to what we get, but it's kind of already pictured in the front. So let's go ahead and take a look at what exactly we get inside. Now, upon opening it, we see a brand new DJI Mavic bag along with some other stuff that we'll take a look at shortly. Now, let's take the bag out and move this to the side. Now, this bag, the look and feel of it is extremely premium and I'm loving it. The zippers are made very well. They're very well covered up so that way any type of splash of water or rain will definitely protect it from getting inside. Now, upon opening it, we see the DJI Mavic Air 2 along with the controller and the accessories, which also contains the batteries. Let's take out the drone here really quick. It feels really great. Now let's take a look at what else we get. The accessories, which has the batteries. We'll get to that. Get some of this right here. Here's the controller. And just taking a look at the bag first, we see that it's very, very well pocketed. And we also have this soft cover that'll help the Mavic Air be protected from when you put it on the ground. So I suggest keeping that and not tossing it out. Now, taking a look, the compartments are very well split up, and this top zipper also contains some of the accessories we're going to need, such as the cables and some other things that we're going to take a look at just very shortly here. So let's just take all of this out and take a look at the bag. But it's very well pocketed, very well made, and there's also a slot here that you can maybe squeeze a small tablet in. In the front, we also have a zipper compartment. This doesn't contain anything in it, but you're very welcome to put anything else. Now here's everything laid out. Now let's take a look at this. This is the USB adapter in which we can take the DJI Mavic Air battery, Mavic Air 2 battery, put it on and be able to plug in USB devices to power our phones, tablets, or anything else. I do wish that we were able to use other things, but we also get two cables, a micro USB to USB-C, and then we also get a USB-C to USB-C. Now we also get a Lightning to USB-C, but that is already pre-installed in the controller. Now to charge the controller, we also get a USB Type A to USB Type C. And this right here is the filters that we're going to see. This is really good. All three filters look very high quality and will definitely help take up your photo and video game on the Mavic Air 2 to the next level. Now here we have a battery charger which will charge all three batteries simultaneously, sort of. So the way it works is you put on one battery, you put on another battery, and it charges them one by one, but charges them all together so you never miss out on any one of them. Now we also get thumb controllers, but we already have a pair installed on the remote control. So in order to save these, I'm going to put them back into the bag for safekeepings. Hopefully I don't lose the ones on here. Now let's take a look at the controller. The controller's feel is extremely good and I'm loving it, along with the brand new phone holder. But the look and feel of this is great. The buttons, everything is located, although I do miss the small screen in the front, which would give me all of my telemetry data. Now behind here we see that it has a vent for it to breathe. At the bottom is for the thumb controllers and the USB-C to charge. Now to open this is very simple. You just take your finger, pull it out, and the antennas are also located in this. We also have the cable. For those of us that ordered the Fly More combo, we'll have the Lightning cable already pre-installed for us. Very simple design, goes straight into your phone and wraps around and goes straight back in here, which I think is really great, so that way you don't ever lose a cable or have to look for it when the time comes. Let's also take out the thumb controllers, put these on. Now the thumb controllers actually have the thread on the outside compared to the Mavic Air's threaded on the inside. but same concept of screwing them onto the controller. And that's basically it. Now let's take it what we've been all waiting for is the DJI Mavic Air 2. Now the feel of this is a tad bit heavier, and we'll go into more details in the next video when I go over all the details. But back here you can see the sensors are located top and bottom. We have the Mavic Air 2 along with stickers. There's honestly a lot of stickers labeled on the Mavic Air 2 and stickers here. And it's also labeled for those of you that had issues understanding which side should open first. Now let's go ahead and take off the sticker. The sticker is not really... We'll begin the sticker removing process. But let's take a look at the camera here by removing it. Very simple. And here is the brand new 48 megapixel camera. And there's some stickers on here too, which I highly recommend removing. We also have these pads on the rotors, which will help. Brand new rotors, which would look really nice actually. So let's get these stickers right off of this so the camera can actually breathe, because they're actually on the vent. There's also a sticker located at the back of this. I don't think it'd be a problem, but I'm just gonna remove it anyway. Too many stickers, honestly. DJI, what is up with the stickers? But now we have the camera fully ready to take photos and be able to breathe without the stickers. So let's continue and remove these pads from the motors and remove this sticker from the battery. Some of this stuff, the stickers actually have some important information which I highly recommend reading. Let's get off these AB stickers. We already know how to exactly open this. So let's open this up. We open up the front ones and then we move to the back. Upon opening it, the wingspan of this is actually definitely bigger than the Mavic Air. And then here we have some more stickers. I really wasn't kidding about the stickers. There are tons of stickers on this. So here is the Mavic Air 2 completely opened up. There's some stickers here which I'm gonna get to later. I don't want to remove this now, but here it is from the front. Now let's take a look at the battery. Let's lift this up. There's no charge, obviously. We'll charge all of these, but the battery is significantly bigger. It takes up quite a big portion of the drone. And here we have some important information labeled. The motors are also labeled color, and then the one is not colored, so you know exactly which propeller goes on which one. Now if we open up the left slot here, you see a USB-C to go ahead and connect to your computer to remove any type of data, photo, or video that you may have on the internal 8GB hard drive that's in here. Now if we open up the right side, we see the micro SD card slot, which goes in right there. So let's go ahead and close this back up properly. All right, and that's basically it with the drone. And we'll have so much more information, some shots and stuff, testing out exactly how this works. We also get a bunch of papers, and the propellers are also located within that. Now they also have the quick start guide and stuff that if you're new to the flying, I highly recommend you read. Now again, this was an in-depth boxing of the brand new DJI Mavic Air 2. We're going to be going into so much more details and the review of the Mavic Air 2, of its flights, features, how-tos and whatnots, and overall impressions of the DJI Mavic Air 2 in an upcoming video. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions or anything about this, make sure you leave a comment below. This was the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. This is GCT Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.